I'm on another hiking excursion with Wayne. There's the back of Wayne. There's Wayne right there. I always let him go first. The side of his butt gives me energy to hike. I'm just kidding. For all those that want to hear me complain, no matter how many times I come here, it never gets easier. So thanks God. But I don't blame God. No, he means well for me. But it's a beautiful day again here in Malibu, Temescal Canyon. There's the sun, obviously. Everybody knows him. There's the ocean. There's whales out there laughing at me. It's bittersweet, but I can't complain, I guess. So, it's the path we came from. It's the path we're gonna go up right there. We still got like an hour. About an hour, yeah. So, yeah, persistence. That is true. So we're gonna press on, like Wayne says, and yeah, it'll be nice and good and all that other good stuff. But yeah, I just hope it gets easier. All right. Well, yeah, I guess I could just keep rolling. Here's the ground for anybody that's curious. It's pretty nice, like Mars. It's like we're on Mars or something.
Red rock.
Yeah, red rock. Indeed it is. So we're just gonna keep hiking. There's more people. It's weird though, because there's a lot of people today. Usually there was a lot of people a long time ago, like a year ago.
Well, but you know, it's getting bright. Sun up by about 7 o'clock or whatever.
7 o'clock.
People get started.
Yeah, that's true, but people weren't coming here for like months. It was like just me and you the whole time.
That's because we were starting a little bit earlier.
Yeah, I guess. But there were a lot of people when we first started coming here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Run into people constantly. But it's nice.
On the way down, you'll probably see a lot more people.
Yeah, we'll see a lot more people. There are a lot of people that in the parking lot. Yeah. Yeah, it's another guess. Well, here's something interesting. It's like a humongous footprint. There's the landscape. I don't know what that has to do with us hiking, but it's far from here, I guess. Yeah. Excuse me, I get delirious when I'm hiking or suffering this severely. Yeah, I know. It's not that bad, but being out here with the camera on is, I guess it's better. Alright. Some more houses. The ocean again. And here's me and Wayne suffering. Oh, it gets scary in this part. It gets all dark. Scary. Dun 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 dun.
One of these weekends when there's a full moon,
we'll
come out here and do a late night hike.
Yeah, I'm down. I'm down with that. I'm gonna bring my glow sticks. We'll have a rave. Dun, 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 dun.
And we start, right around the time the sun kind of gets ready to set. And watch the sunset from up here.
Yeah, that would be a good idea. Okay. Wayne, do you ever watch my YouTube?
I haven't logged on.
Oh, you haven't watched it before?
No.
Oh, that's sad. My YouTube is very interesting. It's like a community center, an online community center. It's a good idea, huh, Wayne? Just check it out. I even caught a picture of God. I swear. He has a Japanese accent. He says things like, "What's up, nigga?" The people back there, they brought their baby. I would never bring my baby. That's too hard. I have too many, far too many babies. Baby-itos. That's what we call them. Alright, I'm gonna log off because the file might be too big for YouTube. Alright. Well, I guess I got more time. Let's keep it rolling. Let's test YouTube's strength and mightiness. There's some lazy people up there. Nobody stops up there. Nobody. It's gotta be something serious. Like an impending death or doom. Gatekeepers of sorts. Yeah, what he said. Oh, yeah, your shoe. Give it down. Temescal Ridge. Hancock Memorial Trail. Or Peacock. A descent. Here we go. Woo! Yeah. Here's my kicks. Wayne bought these for me, by the way. Pretty cool, huh? They're comfortable. Better than wearing worn down K-Swisses all the time. Sometimes. Nothing beats K-Swiss when it comes to comfortality.
ואנחנו מתחילים בסביבות 7:20 לנסוע, שזה כבר טיפה מאוחר, כי צריך להגיע בטראפיק מדהים. אבל לא משנה. אבל מה כן? אין לו הבדל.
Before I cut this off, Asians, or these bodies, they come from Europe, and Middle Eastern talk comes from the French. So, and the Asians from Europe, they went to Africa and the Middle East. Alright, those are basically my findings for the day. Alright, stay tuned. Goodbye.